Alright guys, so we just got to the port and we're going on a boat ride in Venice, guys. This is going to be awesome. Now Venice is definitely a city that you want to explore by boat. You can take one of the gondola rides, you can take a taxi. You just want to get on the water and, you know, see the city, explore it, because a lot of the areas in the city are not necessarily off the main island, and that just got a little bumpy right there. So you might want to have to take a boat or also public transportation as well. Well, this is very, very wavy.
Our top things to see on our Grand Canal boat tour starts at the Stazione Taxi Comunale, which is located in front of Giardini Reali and near the Doge's palace. The first place to see on our tour is San Marco and the Doge's palace. Close by is number 2, the Bridge of Sighs.
Bridge of Sighs basically is where they transported from the Doge Palace to the prison, which was across, and that was the last point in which the prisoner would see like the natural light of day.
And they would sigh.
Yeah, and they would sigh. That's why it was called a sigh. It was like a last gasp of happiness.
We got tons of traffic jams of gondolas in here. Definitely very tight to squeeze on by in the canals of Venice. But guys, just look at this. This is unbelievable, guys. The city is so magical. It's unbelievable. And as we're going about our tour here, you can just see all these houses, all these buildings. They have their own entrances by the canal. I just gotta watch your head once again. Yeah. These bridges are tight, right?
Yeah, I know.
So we're just about to make our way to the Grand Canal, and here we are, guys. This is the Rialto Bridge right behind me, guys. Wow. So we just passed the Rialto Bridge, and you know, on this side over here you had all the old banks. Also, I think some of the market areas here for fish, for cheese. I think you can still see them right here. You can see that there's a bit of a market going on this side.
Number 6 on our list to see on the Grand Canal is Ca' d'Oro, one of the older palaces in the city. Its name means golden house due to the gilt and polychrome external decorations which once adorned its walls. It now houses a beautiful art collection. Number 7 is Pesaro, a beautiful Venetian Baroque marble palace that has been turned into Venice's International Gallery of Modern Art. Nearby is number 8, the Casino Venice, that opened in 1638 and is the oldest casino in the world. Number 9 is the Museo di Storia Naturale di Venezia. Number 10 is the Jewish Ghetto, which is located in Cannaregio. The Jewish ghetto in Venice is the oldest in the world and a must visit when you're in Venice. Number 11 on our list is Chiesa dei Santi Geremia e Lucia. Number 12 is Ponte degli Scalzi, one of only 4 bridges in Venice to span the Grand Canal. The bridge connects the sestieri of Santa Croce and Cannaregio. Next to the bridge is number 13, the Santa Maria di Nazareth Church, or the Church of the Scalzi. Number 14 is Stazione di Venezia Santa Lucia, which is the central station of Venice. It is one of the main points people arrive in Venice and where you can pick up a rental car. Number 15 is the Ponte della Costituzione, or Constitution Bridge, and is the 4th bridge over the Grand Canal in Venice. It connects Stazione di Santa Lucia to Piazzale Roma. Number 16 is the Chiesa di San Sebastiano, which is a 16th century church. It has paintings by artist Paolo Veronese as well as paintings by Tintoretto and Titian. Number 17 is Schiero di San Trovaso, which is a working boatyard that builds traditional Venetian wooden gondolas. Number 18 is the Gallerie dell'Accademia. It's Venice's most important art gallery and it houses pre-19th century art in Venice in northern Italy. It features works by such artists as Bellini, Titian, and Mantegna. Number 19 is Ponte dell'Accademia. Dating from 1933, it is one of the few wooden bridges in Venice. Number 20 is Palazzo da Mula Morosini. This palace, dating from the 15th century, is still a private residence to this day. Close by is number 21, which is the Peggy Guggenheim collection. This modern art museum is located in an 18th century palace. Number 22 is Palazzo Dario, a Venetian Gothic style building which was renovated in the Renaissance style. Number 23 is Basilica di Santa Maria della Salute. Santa Maria della Salute is one of the most important religious buildings in Venice. Its striking dome is depicted in most of the city's postcards. Number 24 is Punta della Dogana, a contemporary art museum in one of Venice's old custom buildings, the Dogana da Mar. Number 25 is the Church of San Giorgio Maggiore. Found on an island bearing the same name, the Basilica di San Giorgio Maggiore is one of the most photographed images of Venice. From here you can get some magnificent views of the main island. This is going to do it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video from Venice. Venice is absolutely one of the most gorgeous cities on the planet. One of my favorite places to visit. If you've never been here, highly recommend it to come here. If you guys have any questions about any of these places, just let us know. From the Go-To family from here in Venice, we will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys.